First things first, we need to install SQL Server, and for that you have to search for SQL Server download in the web page. Click the first one, SQL Server downloads, and then once you got into the page here, you will need to download the Express under the download a free specialized edition. Click the download now button there, and then there will be another pop-up on top which means it's already downloaded. Click, and now we have to select the custom under the Express edition installing. So you can choose your media location as you wish and then click the install button and then wait for it. I fast forward it. It will usually take some time lah. Okay, once it's installed, it will come up to this page. You have to click the first option, which is for the standalone installation. It will usually take a while, so you can have a break meanwhile. So over here, there is nothing for you to take, just click next. So take a break. And here there is nothing as well, just click next. And all you have to do here is just read the Express edition and then just I accept the license terms and privacy settings. Over here you can just untick the Azure extension for SQL Server. There's nothing to key in. Next. And then all these things that I have ticked here, you have to follow the same step. And for the name intents, I would usually use this default intents, but over here I have chose the localhost. But for the actual one, you can actually use the default instance itself. Mm. And just choose the name and you can click next for the server configuration page. And here there is nothing for you to actually click or something. Just click next. And this is the page where you have to like key in your password. All you have to do is just tick the mixed mode and then key in your password. And then next. It will usually take some time. So meanwhile you can have a coffee or something. Copying from the and okay, now we are going to configure the SQL Server Configuration Manager. All we have to do is SQL Server Network Configuration, drop down, then the click first one protocols for SQL Express, go to the TCP-IP. You have to enable that. Okay, and once you enable it, right click and go to properties, IP address, and here you have to key in all the TCP port. The default TCP port is 1433. It goes for all actually. So you have to key in the 1433 for all the TCP ports below lah. And this is the last one. Apply, OK, and OK again. Just to make sure, you just click again, right click, properties, IP addresses, and then just double check if all the IP addresses are there. So once you are done, just click OK. Go back to SQL Server Services. Now go to the SQL Server Services and look for the one that you have created. As for me, I have created the local host. Just drag it out. All you have to do is restart the SQL Server local host. For you, it may be different since I have chosen local host. Yours could be the different name. Restart them. So the service will stop first and then it will restart by itself. Take a deep breath. Restarting now. And you are done. You can close it. Okay, now we gotta install the SQL Server Management. Go to Chrome and search SQL Server Management Studio. And then click the first one, download SQL Server Management Studio, which is SSMS. And below that, you could see the download SSMS. Once you click that, you will see a free download for SQL Server Management Studio SSMS 19.3 version, which is I'm downloading now. You may download a different version. It's downloading. Okay, download it. Click the downloaded file. And then you will have to wait for it to pop up. Okay, now here all you have to do is install. It will take a lot of time. You may take a break in between, and then once it's completed, you may go to SQL Server Management Studio, open the app. For myself, I've created a local host name and then the password as I chose in the MMC. All you have to do is connect and you are done. Your database is ready to go. Thank you so much for your patience.